In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to Power BI with an easy guide. This video aims to simplify the process, ensuring that even if you're new to these platforms, you can follow along without any hassle. Let's begin by heading over to Jira, which is a versatile tool developed by Atlassian. If you already have an account, you can log in directly. Otherwise, it might be a good time to sign up for one. This will allow you to start leveraging Jira's robust issue and project tracking capabilities, especially once you integrate it with Power BI. Once you're on the Jira homepage, log in with your email address. You also have the option to sign in using Google if that's more convenient. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Jira dashboard to get started. Now, on your Jira dashboard, you're going to look for the Apps section in the menu. This is where you'll find the necessary tools to integrate with Power BI. Click on Apps, and then select Explore More Apps. This will direct you to the Atlassian Marketplace, which houses a range of useful applications to extend Jira's functionality. At the Atlassian Marketplace, go ahead and search for Power BI in the search bar. You need to look for reliable apps like the Microsoft SharePoint connector for Jira by iDevit, or those provided by trustworthy developers like Communardo. These applications facilitate the smooth integration between Jira and Power BI, enabling you to effectively harness data across these platforms. Once you've found the application you wish to use, click on it to learn more about its features and compatibility. When you're ready, select Try It Free. This gives you a chance to experiment with its capabilities and see how well it integrates with your Jira setup before committing to a purchase. You will then be prompted to select a site. This is where you'll choose the appropriate Jira site for the Power BI integration. Make sure you select the site where you manage your most critical data and dashboards, as this will save time and effort later. To finalize the process, click on Review and Install. This step will give you a summary of what you're installing, as well as any permissions that the app will require. Take a moment to look over these details carefully, ensuring everything is in order before you proceed. Then simply follow the prompts to complete the installation and integration process. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully connected Jira to Power BI. This integration will empower you to visualize Jira data in a more dynamic way and drive data-informed decisions with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.